Hey there friends, welcome to the second solution video of important differentiation question series. And in this video I am going to give solution for the next 5 questions which I have shared in my previous video. Okay, so coming to the first question. Here what we are given is fx is equals to mod of log 2 minus sin x and g of x is equals to f of x, and then we need to find the correct option. So the solution will be, okay, so what we are going to do is first, since we are given is that what is our g of x, we are going to find g dash x, because in we can see from options we are asked we are given options around g dash. So we are first going to find itself, and when we differentiate it we are going to use chain rule, and it will be like for first differentiation f of x, then we will go on to inner differentiation which will be f dash of x. And okay, so one more thing, since we can see what is our f of x, our f of x is equals to log no wait a second, our f of x is log 2 minus sine of x, and then what will be our f dash x, it will be minus cos x. So what we are going to do is we are going to use this. So what we will be having is minus cos of f of x times f dash of x, and since we know what is our f dash x, it is again cos x, cos of x multiplied by minus cos of x. Okay, so at g dash, so at x equals to 0, what we will be having is g dash of 0, which will be minus cos of f of 0 multiplied by minus cos of 0. Since our f of x at 0 will be at f of 0, what it will be? It will be log 2, right? 2. So the final answer will be cos of log 2, cos of log 2. So g dash 0 will be cos of log 2. Option number A. Alright. Coming to 7th question. 7th question is given as y is equals to sec of tan inverse x, and we need to find dy by dx at x equals to 1. So what we are going to do is we need to find y dash, which will be, first we are going to differentiate it. Okay, so it will be sec of tan inverse of x into chain rule, it will be tan of tan inverse x, and differentiation of tan inverse x will be 1 by 1 plus x squared. Putting value of x equals to 1, we will be having as sec of pi by 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 by 2. So final answer will be root 2 by 2, which will be 1 by root 2. Option number D. Listen, like in these questions, which what all we have done till now, like previous 5 questions and these questions and upcoming questions, they are like easy. They are just based on the basic differentiation rules of chain rule, product rule and stuff. So if we are having those concepts in our mind, we will be easily able to solve rest of the questions. Alright, coming to the 8th question. In 8th question, what we are given is x square plus y square plus sin y equals to 4, and we need to find d2 by dx square at point minus 2, 0. So the solution will be, what we are going to do first is, first we are going to find our y dash. Okay, so 2x plus 2y dot y dash plus cos y times y dash equals to 0. At minus 2 comma 0, this value will be minus 4 plus 0 plus cos 0 will be 1 times y dash equals to 0. So our y dash value will be 4. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we need to find our y double dash. Okay, so what it will be? So it will be 2 plus. Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to simplify this equation. We will take out our y dash as common, so it will be 2y plus cos of y equals to 0. Okay, and then now we are going to again differentiate this equation. So it will be like 2 plus y of double dash plus 2y plus cos y plus y dash of 2y dash minus sin y times y dash equals to 0. Now we will put our value, like decide point at which we need to find a final answer, minus 2 comma 0, and when we will put these values, what we will get is 2 plus y double dash 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 minus 0 is equals to 0. Alright, so upon solving, what we are going to get is y double dash plus 2 plus 32 is 34 equals to 0. Therefore y double dash equals to minus 34. Okay, y double dash equals to minus 34, which will be our option number A. Okay, easy marks. Coming upon our second last question, which is as fx equals to this term, and we need to find f dash at half. Okay, so this is like simple, very simple question. Okay, so our fx is equals to sine of inverse of twice 2 into 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 9 to the power x. Okay, if we look carefully, what we can say as this term is written as f of x is equals to twice of tan inverse 3 to the power x. Okay, and then we will find our f dash x. What it will be? Twice into 1 upon 1 plus 3x to the power 2 multiplied by 3 of x multiplied by log of 3, right? So when we will find our desired value at half, then what it will be? 2 to 1 plus 9 to the power x, right? So when we will put x as half, it will be this multiplied by 3 to the power half into log of 3. Okay, and then what we are going to do is we are going to further write it as half multiplied by root 3 into log of root 3 square, right? And this 2 will come forward, so what will be remaining as half into 2 into root 3 times log of root 3. This 2 cancel this 2, and our final value will be root 3 divided by log of root 3, which will be our f of half. Alright, root 3 times log root 3, option number A. Okay, these are like very baby questions and easy to solve. Okay, coming towards our last question in this differentiation series. Like we are given that this and this. If you remember, this question is from NCERT. Very easy. Okay, and it has already come in 2006 engineering paper. What we are going to do is, when we are going to solve it, it will be as m times of log of x plus n times of log of y is equals to m plus n times log of x plus y. When we will differentiate it, this term, what we will get is m by x plus n by y times y dash will be equals to m plus n times 1x plus y multiplied by m plus y dash, right? If there is any mistake, then just please let me know in comment section. Okay. And y dash will be like, I will take common from it. It will be like n by y minus m plus n x plus y, which will be equals to m plus n upon x plus y minus m by x. Y dash, y dash will be multiplied by nx minus my upon y times x plus y, which will be equals to n of x minus my upon x times x plus y. Okay, so if you look carefully, it is written as y upon x. Cancel out common terms and we will be remaining with y by x. So it's option B. That's it for the video, and hope you like it. If you have any questions or problems in differentiation, just let me know in comment section, and thanks for the watching.